It is a question surrounding some of Tennessee's most heinous crimes. Why does it take so long to carry out a death sentence? Well, now a bill in the state legislature seeks to put the death penalty on the fast track. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb shows us the potential changes.
We all know there is a lengthy appeals process after a death sentence comes down in court. This bill would reduce the number of those criminal court appeals.
The Honorable Supreme Court of Tennessee is now in session.
After someone is sentenced to death, all cases are eventually reviewed by the Tennessee Supreme Court. But before that, it's appealed to a lower court, the Tennessee Criminal Court of Appeals. But a bill in the state legislature would get rid of the Court of Appeals review altogether, speeding the process along.
I've dealt with it for 35 years, and I will be glad when it's over.
Marcia Dodson is the wife of John Dale Dodson, who was murdered in 1983. She told us in October she wished the death sentence on the man convicted of killing her husband would have been carried out sooner.
It needs to be carried out then so the families can have some closure instead of it lingering on for 30-some-odd years.
And maybe there is some new issue that comes out.
Attorney Ben Rabin is a member of the Tennessee Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers. He says the current law should stay as it is, with more chances for judges to look over the case.
How many people have you heard about where their convictions are overturned, in some cases because people on death row are actually innocent? And that's, many people have said, the worst possible thing that we can do as a justice system is to execute an innocent person.
He says only removing one criminal appeal wouldn't save that much time, with decades of appeals dealing with other factors still to come anyway.
So really we're talking about taking up maybe 6 months out of what could be a 20 to 30 year process.
Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.